Hey lovers! Step into the world of nature with me, where we explore, learn, and grow together one plant at a time. Today, I'm super thrilled to talk about how to grow the lucky bamboo in water. Lucky bamboo is a low maintenance plant. Beautiful and can bring good fortune and prosperity to your home or office. In this video, I'll show you how to grow lucky bamboo in water and provide you with some helpful tips and tricks. Let's get to the basics of growing lucky bamboo in water. The first step in growing lucky bamboo is to choose the right container. It's extremely vital to select a vase or jar that's clean and clear. Avoid using containers with colors as they can prevent the plant from getting enough light. Also, make sure the container is just large enough to hold the lucky bamboo stalks and enough water to cover the roots. When it comes to growing lucky bamboo, the type of water you use is crucial. You'll need to use filtered or distilled water to prevent any chemicals or minerals from harming the plant. If you don't have access to filtered or distilled water, you can also use tap water that's been left out for 24 or more hours to allow the chlorine to evaporate. To plant the lucky bamboo, cut the stem from the mother plant. Shed off the leaves to the level that works best for you. You can decide to remove all the leaves or leave out some at the top, depending on how you'd like to display your plant. Make sure the nodes are fully submerged in water and the leaves are above the water line. Remember to change the water after 1 to 2 weeks for the best results. Like I said earlier on, plants need care to enable them to thrive. Give your lucky bamboo bright, indirect sunlight and let it shine. This is ours 2 to 3 months later, very happy and shining. And that's it, lovers. With these simple steps, you can grow your own lucky bamboo plant in water. Thanks for watching, and remember to leave us a like, comment about your own experience. Do not forget to subscribe for more plant tips.